Welcome to the you say it.
I said, you say. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We are on our way to the farm and we have a visitor with us. Abigail. And yeah, you'll just come along with us as we tour the farm and yeah.
Great.
So we are here at a house and it is what is this house?
Broncos.
We're at the Broncos house. So that is fun. You can see my dad and the painters in the background. It's orange and blue. So yeah. Here is a smaller house that you like put grass on and then made this one out of bricks and it will look different in the evening because it's going to get more paint. So that will be exciting.
Not fine.
I feel like staying hydrated. So we're gonna go on the tour of the farm. So yeah, come along.
Yeah, papaya. Oh, that was
Papaya.
What do they call it here?
Bunch of leafy greens that we grow here in Celtic community. Papaya, banana, some baby goats eating some of the weeds and stuff. It's our fish pond. Here's the house after it's painted.